What's up, you guys? This is Lord Blue Phoenix from Blazing Phoenix Studios, and we're playing White Noise, and I'm here with...
Me, Master! Yay!
Say my name.
X Kitty Cat Girl XX. Okay. It's really hard.
That's what she said.
Master and I played Bunker before, and... You want to play it on Nightmare?
Yeah.
Okay.
You lovable you.
And 1 hour.
I hear a green guy already. Game volume's not... This is gonna be really...
Turn down my TV volume.
Well, yeah, but like
Really loud?
Stop! I can't move. Gosh, why can't I move? I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm so dead.
Outside 2 chairs.
I can't get out. This is a trap. It's a trap. Oh God.
Oh god.
Come on. I can't move. Master, move. Okay, there. Okay, let's get the hell out of here.
Pushing you out.
Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here.
Why you gonna torch it?
Oh.
God.
Ah, fuck you! I'm scared.
Did you die?
I mean, I
No,
did-
that scared the crap out of me. Oh my god, he's right there.
I know.
I can see him.
Oh fuck! Get him!
Where? You're a liar.
No! Literally.
I don't even know where he's at. Big. Wait, we were just here. Wait, were we? No, we weren't. Alright. I'm scared. Boo! I know there's one in here, because I know there's a green guy also in here with him. Ah, right there. I have a feeling we should go down there, but I don't. Oh! Oh God! Oh God! Oh my God! No, that scared me. Master, I think your balls just dropped.
Dropped years ago.
I think they went back. I think they went back up after that.
Why you guys leaving me back?
I'm not gonna look behind. No!
Oh, fuck you! I got
Oh God, he's still behind us. Shh, be quiet, boy. I about had a heart attack.
I almost had a heart
Ah,
attack.
fuck you!
That was scary
Yeah.
one.
Right there. I told you to be on the track.
That's not a track, you idiot.
Oh, that's me.
Train, whatever. Dildo. Oh, fuck! I'm gonna get the bag.
Oh my god, no. Run away.
I swear, if he's around this corner. No! Master, be quiet. Master, you died? I knew you.
No.
Oh, I knew he was gonna be around.
I heard him scream, but he didn't die.
I knew he was gonna be around there. I knew it.
I'm right behind you.
We're already in there.
I'm gonna die.
Where are you?
I don't know, I died because the stage was going alone, so he's just following me.
Yay.
Wait, you literally just died or what?
Yeah, I died because it's dangerous going alone. If you're like spread apart, it says it's dangerous going alone, and you just die. Me.
Sorry. Ah! No, no, please, no. I'm running. I can't run anymore. Come on.
Ghost.
Come on. He's still behind us?
Where are you guys?
Let me see.
Okay, let's go back that way, because I think something was over it. I don't think we've been on that side.
Well, now that I'm a ghost.
Oh, yeah, I see him. No, he disappeared. What the heck? Oh, God! I don't like this game.
Well, he's in the
Oh!
Ah, fucking Rakata!
library.
No, he's in here with us. We're by the sub.
Ah!
Master died.
Freaking two of them because I can freaking hear him.
Master, you died, right?
Yeah, I'm coming towards you.
Ghost. There's a green totem.
God damn, you're fast.
There's usually one over here. Oh, God. Isn't there usually one over here? I swear there's usually, yeah, right there. I'm on the sub. Oh, I hear one. Two more. How do I get out of this room?
You. Don't look behind you.
I'm not.
I can help you, but I don't even know where I'm at.
What is this?
Dead body!
Lost you again. This sucks.
Is that a penis?
What? That's his hands. Oh, God. Yes, it is. It is. I saw the shadow on the wall of it.
That's a green totem, actually. I hear one on the other side of this room.
Not the file cabinet room. I hate that room. No, God! He got me. Oh.
We were close.
Oh. That scared me. Holy crap.